daytime image. Okay, there are a couple of settings that we need to do before we render this. First thing is we're going to decrease the f number from a value of 8 to a value of 2. Now, a value of 8 will not allow many light to pass through the camera's lens. So let's just decrease the f number to 2. Okay, now let's go ahead and render this. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so this is pretty much the result. Now we're just going to change some of the settings. Okay, now let's come back to the viewer physical camera and let's just continue. Okay, let's go a little lower. Now on the white balance we have a D65. Let's change it to a D55. D65 will make the image look more orangey, while D55 is close to neutral. Okay, now we're going to play with the shutter speed. This will allow more light to enter the camera. Now a value of 200 is a little too high. Let's just decrease this to a value of, let's say, 80. Let's see what's the difference. I'm going to clone the rendered frame image so I can see before and after and render it.